Hey! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, you need to access settings. Now just connect the devices and tap on connection preferences. From here, click on printing and tap on default print service or choose add service and download the preferable one. I will go with HP one. Wait for it to download and click on the back button twice. Now tap on desired print service, I will go with HP one, and tap on this switcher next to use print service if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!